A few days ago I installed this BMW Club Sport knob, also known as the ZHP knob from the E46 world. This knob was a gift from a friend, sourced from his former BMW 1M. In fact, as you can probably tell, it's not brand new, but honestly it's a significant upgrade in both feel and look compared to the OEM M knob that came with my 130i. Now let's move on the main topic of this video. A few weeks ago I had the genuine BMW Performance short shifter kit installed. It was a long hunt to find this kit, as BMW discontinued it several years ago. I opted for an OEM solution because while there are excellent alternatives available, they tend to be much more expensive, and for road use I can't imagine how they could offer a significant advantage over this BMW kit. Though I haven't tried options like the Auto Solutions or the UUC Motorworks, so I'll leave it to others to comment on those. Honestly, this has been the best modification I've made to the car, at least in terms of the cost to result ratio. The kit reduces the gear throws by 25% and the lever feels much firmer now. Gear changes are more precise, quicker, and honestly the overall feel of the transmission has been completely transformed. The gearbox feels incredibly tight and responsive. Honestly, I truly don't understand how people who don't spend much time on track days prefer a DCT over a proper manual transmission. Sure, you might be slightly slower, but the enjoyment is doubled. And with this short shifter kit, every gear change is a joy. I believe half the thrill of driving a car lies in the interaction between the driver, the clutch and the gearbox. Just listen to how satisfying the shifter sounds. Those crisp shift clicks are pure driving pleasures.